Warning, if you have any interest in Shiba Inu or possess any Shib tokens, you need to view this. There may be about to be a significant crypto and Shiba Inu sell-off that will significantly damage the value of the entire market, especially Shiba Inu. What is the most recent Shiba Inu coin news, and how will this affect Shiba Inu's market value? I will address these queries in today's video and go through all the pertinent information regarding Shiba Inu's recent behaviors. Before we continue, it should be noted that this channel offers a daily prize of 1 million Shiba tokens. You only need to like this video, be a subscriber to this channel, and use the hashtag Shiba Inu to enter. Good fortune! But first, let's look at the chart and see how the price of Shiba is performing on October 11th before we get on to our issue. Shiba Inu's price today is approximately 684 units. It has decreased 0.07% over the past day, with a $78 million worth of activity. The token is now the 19th most valuable cryptocurrency with a market cap of approximately $4 billion. Please remember that by the time you watch this video, some prices may have changed. Please conduct your own research before investing, because this information is not financial advice and trading in cryptocurrencies is risky. Let's now go into the video's major plot. Burn rate for Shiba Inu rises by 120% as sell-off intensifies. Next, what? The overall cryptocurrency market has clearly declined, with tokens like Shiba Inu feeling the brunt of the relentless bearish sell-offs. Shiba Inu has maintained a positive burn rate despite these severe corrections, as thousands of tokens are currently being delivered to inactive wallets. With a total of 97.4 million Shib tokens burned overnight, the burn rate statistic is currently estimated by Buterin to be growing at a rate of 120%. The burn rate feature continues to be the sole consistently positive measure that can have an underpinning impact on the asset's future valuation in terms of the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Since a certain amount of tokens have been removed from use, the meme coin scarcity is heightened, acting as a buying point for investors maintaining tabs on its performance. The small resilience of S8IB is being significantly fueled by this burn rate, which has stayed constant over the previous few weeks as the bears continue their sell-offs. It would be really appreciated if you could click the like button if you were still watching. It is completely free and really aids with channel support. But keep watching to learn the most recent Shiba Inu developments and what the Shiba Inu coin's future might bring. Shiba Inu's stable state. Why has meme coin recently become sluggish? Since the price of the cryptocurrency has been tenaciously holding onto a constrained range over the past month, Shiba and new investors have been caught in a tornado of anxiety. Both traders and enthusiasts are puzzled by this protracted period of stalemate and wonder when the next big move might happen. A lack of definite action from both buyers and sellers is highlighted by the pattern of price changes within such a small range, illustrating the ambivalence of the market. Implications for Shiba Inu of a range-bound market. One can't help but wonder what this seemingly trapped range means. It wouldn't be strange to see S8IB test the lower end of this range, given the recent decline in the overall crypto market, possibly indicating an extension of its bearish undertones. S8IB's future is still tied to the greater crypto ecosystem because of the shifting market mood. On the weekly chart, a falling wedge pattern that was formed can be seen as the cause of the current downward trend in the price of S8IB. Two trend lines that are convergent and operate as dynamic supports and resistances define this pattern. Even while these patterns occasionally portend an oncoming bullish breakthrough, the current state of the market implies that investors should exercise caution and be ready for any scenario. A decrease in whale activity. Why does that matter? The decrease in massive network transactions is another significant trend in the S8IB ecosystem. One of the least busy times for the meme currency, particularly in terms of the activity of its substantial holders, has occurred with only 20 important transactions on the S8IB network. There could be a number of causes for the dramatic decline in whale activity. One of the possible causes could be the declining interest in S8IB's extremely volatile assets, especially as Bitcoin's influence within the crypto industry grows. Many investors seem to be realigning their portfolios, shifting away from riskier assets to more dependable ones, as the leading cryptocurrency asserts its supremacy. The decrease in big SHIB transactions may be due to a change in investor mood as market players look to increase the stability of their cryptocurrency holdings. The issues facing SHIB's price trajectory are highlighted by the development of a falling wedge pattern and the decrease in significant network transactions. SHIB owners and enthusiasts need to be alert and flexible to manage the constantly shifting currents of the digital asset market. It's time for the major plot of the video for today. Shiba Inu registers a phenomenal transaction volume of 4.48 trillion SHIB. Shiba Inu has maintained high transaction volumes on its network despite a larger audience and a decline in price. Decrease in the cryptocurrency market. Data from Into the Block shows that on October 9, SHIB saw $4.48 trillion in 24-hour transaction volume. Following a sharp increase in volume from $1.76 trillion on October 7 to about $4.7 trillion on October 8, this occurred. The sums point to significant on-chain activity. CGIBA and the new investors are actively shifting money. Indicators of trading activity and non-speculative token movement include rising transaction volumes. During times of turbulence, it frequently gives hints about impending trend reversals. The data shows that, in the face of recent selling pressure, SHIB holders are actively shifting tokens. The higher volume can point to panic selling, as well as potential accumulation by major investors. Contrary to the conventional pattern in sell-offs, transaction activity increases. The fact that SHIB's network can maintain high volumes suggests that engagement will persist even as prices fall. It is challenging to forecast where SHIB will trend next in the near term due to ongoing uncertainty, but the typically high on-chain activity indicates that traders are still paying attention to price movement. If the high transaction volumes continue, it might portend the beginning of a recovery rally. SHIB holders don't seem to be deterred at the time by the market's downward trend. Due to international developments, there is a chance for a worldwide recession. This could indicate that the situation for cryptocurrencies will worsen, but it's possible that people will view them as a hedge against fiat money. Regardless, things will be difficult until the Bitcoin bubble bursts in 2024. Because they trust in its SHIBA and new developers and the real-world worth of SHIB, many of our subscribers mention that they won't sell SHIB for the next 5 years and will continue to hold millions of them. How many are you holding, guys? Please list your holdings of SHIBs in the comments section below. Let's congratulate the SHIB holder for having faith in the SHIB. Leaving while doing so. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, give it a big thumbs up, and share your thoughts on the Shiba Inu token in the comments. Be sure to enable post notifications if you want to be informed whenever we upload a new video. However, SHIB isn't the only venture you want to be considering right now. There are actually 5 altcoins that have the potential to create billionaires, and right now is the ideal time to invest. Click the video to watch a list of the top 5 alternative coins right now. This is something you must not miss.